What's up, guys? We're back with another video. You know what it is. You know. As in right now, we're trying to figure out how to mount the motor, and figure out where to put the chains and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you real quick. What are you trying to do? We're trying to figure out where to put this, and yeah, that's all. It's gonna be a simple video today. Not gonna be too much to do, but we're just trying to figure out trying to figure out to put this motor onto this. Let's see how it goes. Yeah.
I don't even fucking know, bro. I'm on YouTube. This is all first.
That's our first time doing shit like this, so we really don't know. I mean, we could look it up on YouTube, but on a cool, I don't know. We really not trying to go, but we're trying to figure out ourselves before we go to YouTube and stuff. So yeah. Hey, that's one way to do it. Shit. As long as it holds, we be alright. That's not really a matter. If it holds it, picks it up, so we could like mount it and stuff like that. So yeah, we be Gucci. We're gonna take everything out so we could see what we're gonna buy new and stuff like that. Cause we're trying to build it, basically get it ready and stuff like that. But yeah, man, it's not too bad. It's a simple day today. Oh shit, she's magnetic. Magnet. I ain't gonna lie, this needs a whole cleanup. And we're gonna get a new head. We're not gonna keep this head. We're gonna get a 2.0. A K20 2.0. So yeah, it's gonna come out sick, I'm telling y'all, bro. Watch, we're gonna be gapping whatever we line up to. Trust me. We're not gonna say what kind of setup right now, but once I make a little bit more videos, I'll let y'all know what we're gonna do and what we're going for, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Fuck it. And if you haven't seen the video of us building this, stop this video and go see it, and then come back to this video. So y'all go ahead and do that real quick. Yes sir, pump it. Bro, having one of these is so reliable when you're a mechanic, when you're trying to like take out motors and stuff like that. So yeah. We're gonna take out the pin.
How far do we need it?
Probably like second, right here.
1 ton, right?
Yeah, that should be. This one should be alright. If not, we adjust it right now. But comment down below what y'all think we're gonna do to the motor. Let me know. Let me know what y'all have in your mind. Which I think we're going for. Damn it, boy. I don't know about this. I really don't know about this shit.
I really hope the bolts
Hold it.
holds it, bro. That's gonna go boom.
On one side.
Yeah, I'm still gonna have the wheel on and everything.
Now we're gonna have to see if it actually holds. If it doesn't hold, then we're fucked. Yeah, this boy's strong, bro.
On my legs.
Don't go to the gym for no reason, bro. I'm telling you. Go to the gym, guys. Go to the gym. Loki is back hurting right now. I ain't gonna cat.
Yeah?
Nah, he said no, but
I'm old, but not that old.
Oh. Oh, the red thing.
I know it's a strap.
Oh, you said you were gonna leave it there?
Just in case if the bolt snaps. It's because I'm using the bolts from the bolts, whatever. I can't think right now.
That's what I was telling you to do. No, you be there.
Yeah?
This is how we have it,
If
guys.
anything, you should have just bought a washer so after it grabs it more.
Yeah, but we don't have it. I'll bring.
Will you give us up for lunch? Give us up for lunch? Okay, thank you.
Pump it. Pump it up. Hey.
You already get the bolts for the...
Yeah.
Bolts for those?
Right there.
Then you never. Man, we gotta clean though. We gotta clean all that. Look
Oh,
at-
yeah,
it's
all
so
that's
greasy.
gonna
Look.
Oh, so I'm gonna do it on the grass.
Hey, we can turn it around too. Perfect. Most process after what? A year?
Shit, fuck it, bro. It takes time, but I'm telling you, bro. I feel like we're gonna get this shit done by a year. By a year.
Oh, that stand in front? Yeah, don't hit the back order. Yeah, you haven't done that paid off my tattoo.
I don't know, bro.
You know what I said?
I was about 1,300 pounds.
You know what I said? I said, if you ain't getting done paying off my tattoo.
Bitch, get the fuck out of here.
Hey, once he pays off this car, he's gonna take
You
it.
can afford that?
Ooh,
You.
I can't.
He said, I could. He's trying to get a 06.
Do I want to wash or just leave it there?
Nah, I leave it like that.
Well, hell yeah, guys. I mean,
You know what I mean?
we got it up there.
Yeah, we have the other one, but we only got 2.
2?
Yeah. Those we got 4, those.
Oh,
But there's other
Yeah.
size. That's 120 millimeter. And the other one's 80 or whatever MM stands for. And then there's only 2 of the 80.
We got magnets.
What the fuck? Yeah. Oh, your phone.
Yeah, fuck it, yeah.
Or they were gonna be like, "Hey, this nigga doing an engine?"
Hell
They
yeah.
were gonna be like, "Hey, this nigga doing." Whatever. That's my stamp. Yeah, what's in the back?
Spinning.
Huh? I was spinning.
Yeah.
I forgot hold of my hand. Try.
Huh?
So slow though. Nah, it's more like an 18. Alright.
Hold on.
Hey, turn it down. I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Alright.
There you go. There you go.
He took it out.
Oh shit.
First step,
Go for it.
get them out.
That's the shit one.
Mount it, and then
Ready?
we'll go from there. But, yep.
So it's pretty much what we're doing is pretty much like my first time doing all this.
Yeah.
So pretty much be a learning experience at the same time, and try to get learn on performance mods. I mean, I know some already. I've done it with the white hatch. Probably show that in another video. Probably when you go on a test drive on it.
Yeah.
Probably with me driving it or my little brother driving it. But yeah, hopefully it goes as planned.
Nah, but yeah. The hats that he's talking about, I mean, we just show you another day because y'all ain't ready for that one. That's all I'm going to say.
Think that's enough right there?
We're going to do big moves when it comes to this, bro.
It should be. I think we're fine. Look.
Yeah, the little thing you wait.
Yeah,
We just-
gonna have
well,
to
us-
build the motor.
With us three, we could push it.
Yeah, try to push it.
Okay. All right, let me lock these holes.
Shit.
Lock the wheels.
We're not weak. There you go. And if y'all want to know what size, there you go. M12, 125 millimeter
You should have got the washers.
times 80 millimeters. So y'all trying to
Look at it.
That's as far as it goes?
Nah, I
mount,
go more, but
that's the size. You could get it in Home Depot.
Should I lower it?
yeah, lower a little bit. Hold on, take out the bolt. Damn, I'm becoming that picture with the case.
Yep. Some of the TVS.
Nah, I think
Oh, this-
maybe.
Oh.
Damn, fool. Right a little bit. Should be good right there.
Figure out how to mount it right now. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna make it work. Just believe that. We're gonna make it work. We might do some ghetto shit, head ass.
You up in here, dude?
How good right there?
I think I gotta move this shit. Hold on. Two some more to my way joint. All over, wait. I think a little bit lower. No, higher. Go up higher.
Oh, right there.
I think that should be money right there.
Right there, right there, right there.
Damn. Damn, bitch. This is fucking hard.
O son para cortar alambres.
You see that bolt?
No alambres, pero those wires. It has fuse. Not bad.
That's another one?
Yeah. No, that's the 81. My bad.
Fuck it. I don't care.
You okay?
Those are my brothers.
I mean, they're gonna hold better, no? They will look-
Shit's already holding.
I think the 80s would have done a lot better than the
Yeah.
120s. That's right.
Yeah, you're right. The 80 was longer.
Stack of the
Yes, nah, you have to get the other one.
Take the other one off, right?
No, there's only two of these.
Yeah, two.
Oh, yeah, I need more of these, huh?
Yeah, there was none.
Yeah.
We got the last two. Open it.
Oh shit. I mean, I can't.
Oh, Jimmy.
I gotta do it. I guess I could.
He said he good. I'm over here struggling.
Mira, por eso no lo buscaron, mira. Mira,
Use the gun, no? Or is it gonna fuck it up?
eso no lo buscaron.
¿Ves? Mira.
Look,
Estaban.
Mira.
Mira, cuando nos íbamos allá estaban escondidos ahí atrás. Entonces, cuando deben de poner al abrito, y ponen el sitio en las cosas.
Todo esto.
Este planteador seguro para allá.
No, no quiero. Why are you do that?
Oh, the bottom one. Oh, that one.
The bottom one ain't gonna do shit.
You think 3 will hold it?
No.
No?
Nah, they keep
I'd rather do 4.
Yeah, being the safer stuff.
How much meat those?
Don't fall now. Shit, we need you.
Alright, you can take over.
Low key. He knows what he's doing too.
He could learn what a rear engine is.
There you go. Yep, there you go.
That if we don't figure out something else, we do some ghetto stuff. Like,
Yeah.
look, I'm gonna show you what we talking about.
But once we put it in there, we could turn it and we'll just match like the pigeon.
Okay.
We got one right here,
Okay, yeah, do it by hand.
and then 2 right here.
What's that, 18?
As long as it holds, we'll be alright. And it's going in there like butter.
Hey, it really is going in.
Let me stop before you put me to work. Don't fuck shit up. Look at it, look at it. So guys, just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification on so y'all can see when the next video I drop. And y'all won't be late. So yes sir. The motor, put the motor down there.
Alright, we just put them.
I don't got to look.
I guess you gotta lower it a little bit. Damn, that was quick.
And it's,
Oh.
go up.
Go up.
Yeah, go
There you
up.
go up, man. I'm gonna throw the whole fucking thing at you. Ready?
Hold on.
Try it.
Yeah, lock it.
Hold on. Hold on.
There you go, guys.
I'm gonna take out the lock.
We got the hoe mounted already, bro. Fuck it. We did some ghetto shit, but
Oh wait.
it works.
There you go. Alright, ready?
Oh, the.
Lift it up more.
Yeah.
No.
I guess it wasn't that bad.
Damn, now he could work on it while I'm not here. He could just record for the little process. If he wants, he don't have to.
Alright, bring in the white truck.
This, this,
White trucks now.
this all we're gonna do for now. And
With the light.
you got me with the light. There's light in here. Hey there.
Hold the legs. Hold the legs.
Here you go, guys. Probably it's not too much light, but hey,
What?
I don't know.
Take off both now?
No, just one.
That's the first one or the back one?
Just the first one.
The one I took off.
Yeah, just that one.
The back one, leave it there.
But yeah, guys,
The lock and everything.
this is how we're gonna leave it for now. Next video, you're gonna see us, see him remove parts, and me, I'm gonna just be recording the process while he does everything and I record. Yeah, I'm gonna help him, but more like I'm gonna be just on his fucking way, basically.
No, there's some shit you could do.
But yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm gonna learn some stuff too, but this how it is for now.
Yeah, they're cleaning now too.
Yeah, we gotta clean it, make it look better. And
no,
then-
that goes right here in the front.
And then next you know, we're gonna get a head. And then take it to get, then we're gonna get the head, take it to get refreshed, and the block. And then after we get those things done, we're gonna add the cans, you know, everything. You know how the process goes. But yeah. So
High farted.
it's all good, man. Shit happens. But yeah, you know, I don't got a shirt on because I don't want to get it dirty, but yeah, who gives it? But this is all for the video, and once again, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.